Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Greetings from Amsterdam, and I trust everyone is staying safe. We're working on our investment deck, so we're expecting that in a couple of months we go to market. But I'm going to tell you a bit of a story. This year, what happened? Big elephant in the room, right? We're all trying to find ways to connect with our customers. One could say that shift happens. Now, I've driven a company to IPO and a Google acquisition 10 years ago, and I've been talking about digital transformation for the past 10 years, but it's only really happening now. And that shift is a major global shift across industries where we're facing this remote reality that we need to adhere to. And you can see that in insurance, where most of our business is. We can see that only in a few months, you know, over a 90% drop in face-to-face interactions between life insurance agents and their customers, which is drastic. Now, how can we connect with customers? Well, you've got some of these technologies that we're all used to these days, WebEx, Skype, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. But in fact, Zoom selected Surfly, AXA selected Surfly to go live with 1,000 agents. And we went live in only 1 week, and they chose Surfly because of our simplicity, our security, and our quality of our product that we have here. What do we have? Well, we turn the collaboration platform, the existing digital assets, into the collaboration platform. So a customer never needs to download download something or plug in. Their own technology becomes the platform of choice to connect with their customers. Now, we also do it in a visually engaging way. We have very low latency technology, which by or whatever they're showing keeps that quality. There's no lag that you find in some of these other technologies. We can also mask the data, which is why financial services companies like us, if there's credit card number, social security number, we can mask this without any code on their existing websites or applications themselves. We also provide an integrated experience, whether it's Salesforce, whether it's whatever contact center platform, whether it's chatbots or chat tools, we can integrate and make that customer journey as seamless as possible. This is how ABN AMRO, the leading Dutch bank, integrate us into their Salesforce. They use our API to do this themselves in only 2 days. And finally, we provide a compliant experience. KYC, yeah, but what about know your company, right? Is that, is that the company you're doing business with? But also, are your advisors staying compliant? What are they doing within the Zoom session, right? Who is on the other end of that Zoom? With Surfly, you have none of those things, and we can go live very quickly. A bit about us: our ARR is around 1.5 million. The last exercise on our TAM we did was a 6 billion euro market. Our growth is 9% month over month. We're onboarding about 10 new clients, a month. 100,000 users globally, more than 80 partnerships, 3.5 million euros raised. Last was with Alma Mundi from Madrid, which was 2 million euros in November. 27 superstars. We've tripled the team this year alone, representing 16 nationalities, and we have business across the world. But our main focus, even though we have an industry agnostic technology, is primarily financial services. SaaS licensing, 52 euros per user per month. We can install on-premise and private cloud. We also have a very attractive partner program. Benefits in terms of increased conversions and sales, improved customer experience, NPS and LTV, and improved operational efficiency. Lots of awards. We're currently in the FIS FinTech Accelerator in the US, meeting about five bank CXOs a week. And finally, our partners and our customers from around the world, mainly in insurance, like I said, but we also have big banks and big contact center platforms like NICE inContact, Vonage, and Cisco are also our go-to-market. They integrate us into their contact center platforms. Emails there, send me an email, and once the deck is ready, I'll make sure that you guys are the first ones to get it. Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, Tariq. Questions?
You're a great salesman. I want to hire you to sell me gold mines in Nigeria or old fields in Alaska. Is this really a problem that needs to be solved? Life insurance in the US, nobody talks to the agent anymore. I don't think anybody's ever talked to the agent about life insurance since the 1900s.
No, I think you're mistaken. It's actually Life Insurance Awareness Month, and we've got a blog post going out this month, which I do want to send over to you, which you'd find interesting. They actually do. No, millennials don't buy life insurance. They don't know even how to. And with life insurance, you're buying a peace of mind. You're not buying a product. You're not. Yeah, well, you can go to a Lemonade, and yeah, we can automate everything, but you can never. At the core of insurance, it's about the human, and it's about selling peace of mind. So if all of these annuities and your premiums that you've got to pay, if you don't understand that, are you going to really sleep well? Are you going to, are you going to look after your, are you going to think that your family's safe? And so I disagree. And it's not just insurance. I think when we go into wealth management, we work with telecommunications companies, as well, and others. I focused on life insurance. The applicability is much greater. However, life insurance, with that TAM, what we found now is our TAM's actually increased, because now across Asia, we're getting. This morning I was on the phone with Taiwan, with 20 people from a major life insurer in Taiwan, where they want to take us to 20,000 of their sales reps. So it's working, because these guys are used to doing it face to face. So we're in the business of recreating that face to face experience online, better than a Zoom, better than a WebEx, and better than the Microsoft Teams.
Can I ask, are you really a startup still? And also, how much investment are you looking for?
Yeah, that figure is a work in progress. We're looking for Q1. Like I said, we're about a month or 2 months. We're going to go to market. I don't know what a startup is. I don't know what a scale up is.
Okay, so in terms of your investment, then, how much? Because you've had, did I see something like 1.5 in already?
3.5 million.
Sorry, 3.5. Well, there you go.
Yeah.
So so you're looking for investment now?
Yeah. In a couple of months, we're going out to market for investment. Absolutely. Okay. So that's going to be our Series A. But like I mentioned, if Tarek at surfly.com, and we'll be able to get you the deck when it's ready.